Hello students, in this video let's learn our poem 7, The Kitten at Play, written by William Wordsworth. So we know what is kitten. Kitten is the young one of the cat. So the small cat we call it as kitten. So let's see how the kitten is playing with the leaves here. See the kitten on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall. Withered leaves 1, 2 and 3 falling from the elder tree. Through the calm and frosty air of the morning bright and fair. So on the bright morning, the kitten is standing on the wall and it is playing with the leaves that fall from the elder tree. Okay, sporting means playing. The kitten is standing on the wall. See, in the picture you can see the kitten is standing on the wall and it is playing with the withered leaves. Withered means the leaves that fall from the tree. So it is counting 1, 2, 3. So it is keep on playing with the leaves which fall from the tree. Through the calm and frosty air. So frosty air means very cold air. So it was a bright morning with calm and frosty cold air. So at that time the kitten is playing with the leaves. See the kitten how she starts. Crouches, stretches, paws and darts. With a tiger leap halfway, now she meets her coming prey. Let it go as fast and then has it in her power again. So how she is playing means she is doing like a tiger. So tiger leap halfway. She is like a half the character of the tiger. So what she is doing, she is crouch means she is bending her knees and waiting for the leaf to fall. So how the tiger will be bending the body and knees to wait for the prey to come. So like that the kitten was waiting for the leaf to fall from the tree. Then once she got it, she will stretch, pass and darts. So after that she will stretch and get up, and with the paw she will get the leaf. So darts meaning is like arrow. So how the arrow will point and it will hit the target. So like that the kitten will attack the target, that is the leaf. Okay, so like a tiger, so like half the tiger character she is having, and with that she is getting the leaves. Now she meets her coming prey. So prey is nothing but the leaves only. So how the tiger wait for the prey, like that the kitten is waiting for the leaves, and she will leave first. Okay, let it go fast. So like that the leaf, let it fall. Then only she will take the leaf into her power. Okay, so how the tiger attacks the prey, like that she will get the leaf with her power. Now she works with 3 and 4 like an Indian conjurer, quick as he in feats of art. Gracefully she plays her part, yet were gazing thousands there, what would little Tabby care? So here what the poet says, she is working with 3 and 4. So now first she counted 1, 2, 3. No, now she is going on, keep on counting. Okay, like an Indian conjurer. Conjurer means like a magician, the person who is very skilled in arts. So how they will play with the balls or any art they will do. No, so like that she is very skillful, and see she will play with it, with the leaves. So how the magician or the performer is playing with the balls. So like that the kitten is very skillfully she is playing with the leaves. Okay, gracefully she plays her part. So she is doing her skill with so much of grace. Okay, and she is not at all bothered about who and all seeing her. Yet were gazing thousands there. Gazing means who is seeing continuously. So whoever is seeing the kitten, she is not at all bothered. What would little Tabby care? So the name of the kitten is Tabby. Okay, she is not at all cared about who is seeing her. Okay, so like that the poet ends the poem. So that's a poem, children. So you can read the poem. It's a very simple poem with so much of rhyming words. Okay, you can see there wall, fall, tree, air, fair. Okay, start. So much of rhyming words is there. So you can read the poem again and again. It will be very interesting. So I hope you understood the poem. That's all for this video. Thank you, children.